We're standing at the Maersk headquarters in Copenhagen, and behind me we are installing something called biohuts, which is a small habitat, which is a house for fish and for small aquatic animals.
These biohuts, they are meant to provide essential functions of nursery for fish, because they work as refuge, providing both the food resource and the shelter against predators. You have a cage that is filled in with oyster shell. That is a natural material with a high complexity, and there you have a lot of invertebrates, crustaceans, etc. that will colonize and settle in there. Along the dock of Maersk, we will install 50 biohuts. We've measured in Helsingør in Denmark up to 900 juvenile fish in and around one module. We don't make better than nature, but we help this human infrastructure to have a role for biodiversity.
We thought it would make sense to showcase how we can improve biodiversity. There's a lot of focus on sustainability, on decarbonization, which is certainly super important. But the next big thing is biodiversity crisis. And this is one of the initiatives that we wanted to put in place to inspire our colleagues and also improve the conditions for life in Copenhagen Harbour.